In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble your chair. Clear a space on the floor, unpack the box, lay out all the parts neatly and move the box out of your way. First of all, place the backrest onto the seat pan. Then use the screws and the Allen key provided to secure the backrest into place. Next, just to cover the screws, use the plastic cover and clip it into place. Then position the gas stem into the seat and place the base onto the gas stem. Then position the chair so it's the right way up. And there we go. Your chair is now fully assembled and ready to be used. Watch our next video to learn how to set up your chair.